Welcome to KONE 24/7 Connected Services, a safe, intelligent, and transparent digital service designed to meet all your maintenance needs. When a fault occurs, it is picked up by the sensors that are installed in the elevator. This information is sent to the cloud via the connected 24/7 unit to the KONE Customer Care Center, KC3. Upon receiving the fault notification, analysis is done to determine the urgency level of the service required. For urgent cases, a technician would be dispatched immediately. For non-urgent cases, it would be checked on in the next scheduled service visit. The attending KONE technician would receive a service need request via the KONE mobile app, enabling a fast response time. Upon understanding the service required, the KONE technician then proceeds to the site to attend this service call after accepting this service request in the app. The customer in turn receives a notification that a service call has been scheduled and is kept informed about the developments in real time. The KONE technician arrives on site, informed and prepared on the exact nature of this service call. With the KONE mobile app, he is able to immediately call upon further technical assistance from the KONE Customer Care Center to resolve more complex issues. Upon completion of service, the KONE technician can send a live update via KONE Mobile. This update is received by our KONE Customer Care Center, as well as the customer in real time. With KONE 24/7 Connected Services, predictive maintenance is done based on real-time data, providing greater assurance for passengers' safety, comfort, and experience. With KONE Online, customers have greater transparency in having instantaneous access to information anytime, anywhere. With KONE 24/7 Connected Services, we provide safer and smoother journeys for all.